In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gemini AI extension on Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Gemini AI extension installed and pinned, so it's always just a click away on your Chrome toolbar. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions, and it's the safest place to add tools to your browser. You can get there from any new tab by searching for Chrome Web Store, then opening the result from Google. Once you're on the store's homepage, you'll see a search bar near the top. In the search bar, type Gemini and press enter. Give the results a moment to load. You should see listings related to Gemini. Look for the correct Gemini extension and open its page. On that page, you'll find a description, screenshots, and reviews. It's a good idea to quickly skim the details and confirm you're adding the legitimate extension you want. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the page. Chrome will show a small pop-up describing the permissions the extension needs. Take a moment to read them so you know what access you're granting. If everything looks good, confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a brief notification confirming the installation. Now that Gemini is installed, let's make it easy to access. Look at the top right corner of Chrome for the extension's icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. Click that icon to open your extensions menu. You should see Gemini in the list. To keep it visible on your toolbar, click the pin icon next to Gemini. Once you pin it, the Gemini icon will appear on the toolbar itself, so you don't have to open the menu every time you want to use it. That's it. You've added the Gemini AI extension from the Chrome Web Store, clicked Add to Chrome to install it, and pinned it from the puzzle icon so it's always at your fingertips. If you ever want to check that it's active, just look for the pinned icon at the top right. Clicking the icon will open the extension and get you ready to go whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along again. Enjoy exploring what Gemini can do, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.